How to contact Airbnb hosts for cleaning services. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Search for Airbnb or open up your application. In here you'll find various of listings that you can book for your stay. Now if you want to contact the Airbnb host for cleaning services, you have to tap on inbox and search for your host. If you have not booked any of the stay yet but still want to contact for cleaning services for query, just select the stay that you are looking for. Then you have to scroll down. You will see message host, tap on it. Here will be some of the query answers for you. If you want to know more, tap on message. Now in this dialog box of message the host, you can go ahead and write your message. For the sake of this video, I'll be typing, "I'm inquiring for cleaning services." You can add more, then tap on send message. The host will get back to you with your query. To check further an update, you can head back from here. Then you have to select the option of your inbox at your home page. At the bottom, tap on the inbox icon and you will find any update if your host has contacted back to you. And that is how you can easily contact Airbnb hosts for cleaning services. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.